Well, guys, I just did the cardinal sin and I broke one of the bolts right off there. Ooh, that one feels like a booger. Ah! 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 It was the longer studs too. Man, that's just coming off like butter. You just saw me snap 3 exhaust studs. Now let's go to battle with a $200 flux-core welder and redeem ourselves. This will be fun. Probably not. This is the method I used to successfully remove my very first broken exhaust bolt, which I got another one here. I'm using a number 9 washer that's approximately the same size as the exhaust bolt hole size, and I'm using a number 8 washer, grade 8 grade, and an 8 grade bolt that's just slightly bigger than the hole. I'm just using this tape just to hold that washer on for me, just to help out. I'm using an Easy Weld. An Easy Weld 140 FCI. So this is a flux core. You know, I wasn't sure if a flux core would do the job for me, but gosh darn, it sure did. Again, I'm really stoked that I got that out. I'm so happy. Hopefully I can do it again. It takes a lot of time. You got to be really, really patient because flux core leaves a slag, a gray coating on top. So you got, every time you hit it for a couple seconds, you need to brush off the slag. So we're just going to slowly build up the broken bolt up and up and up, and then we're going to attach the nut and just keep building it until we fill up the nut. And it's going to be a slow process. Be very, very, very patient. I wasn't patient last night, and I got really frustrated, and it kept popping off. I think I was getting air pockets. So make sure you keep brushing off the slag, the gray slag off this every time you hit it and tap it, hit it and tap it, hit it and tap it. Take your time. Take your time. All right, I'm going to just get into it, guys. I may not be speaking. I'm just going to work. I am gonna splatter spray around a little bit, just to help out a little bit. So we're slowly going to build up the bolt. Again, I have the Easy Weld 140 FCI on an 8 setting, so almost full power, and I'm on a 30 amp circuit. Those are important pieces of detail. I'm on a 30 amp circuit, and I'm wire feeding it at like a 6. I'm going to crank it up just slightly, closer to a 7. And this heating over and over, heating, cooling, heating, cooling, heating, cooling, that's supposed to help break the rust free from inside the block from the bolt. It's also expanding, shrinking, and it's supposed to break the rust free. The washer is also protecting the surrounding area around the on the block. That's what it's also serving as. Take your time. Just take your time. Don't be in a rush. A rush job can cost you an engine. So take as much time as you need. Take a break. Go get some food if you feel frustrated or you feel rushed. Just take your time. Get a cup of coffee if you need to. Let it do its job. Heat and cool, heat and cool, heat and cool. And keep getting the slag off if you're using a flux-core. A MIG or a TIG, you wouldn't have to necessarily do this tedious process, but that's what I've got, guys. All right, we start filling the hole gradually, slow, gradually cleaning out the slag. Keep our fingers crossed. Let's give that a little bit of time to cool, a little bit more. Fingers crossed, please. And go back the other way just slightly. Back the other way, maybe. Okay. Come on, please. Ah! Well, since my first extraction on that center exhaust went great on the first try, my expectations were high. But what do you think went wrong on this failure? Anyone's guess is possible, but I think if you saw at the very beginning, I tapped that hole twice without cleaning the slag. I must have not got good penetration on the first part of that. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Well, through my experience, if it's not going to hold, it's going to be at the bolt, not here in the nut. So, I think we can safely attempt it at this point. Son of a gun.
Third failure. I'm starting to get a little hot, irritated, but I keep getting after it. Getting on the fourth attempt.
How was it?
Fifth attempt. Keep your fingers crossed.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I got it. Oh, thank heavens. Wasn't pretty. Oh, Jesus. Sweet. I got it, guys. Took me 5 times. Don't give up. Stick with it. Never quit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get one more done. I don't know how many attempts it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stick with it, and I'm gonna get that last one out. I've been building this one for a while. Okay, we're getting there. We are getting there. Take your time. Take your time. Well, moment of truth. The moment of truth.
That's at least number 6 of the failures.
This one's gonna take me a few attempts again.
Next time, boom, we got it.
Well, let's test all these. See that I got all of them good to go. Three of them removed. It tested my perseverance, tested my will. I had to step away for a few minutes. Don't give up, guys. All right, we got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 exhaust bolts. All right, guys, I am going to put an end to this episode with this engine of tearing it down and getting it ready for the machinist. So I'm gonna just go spray it off later today. I'm gonna go hang out with the family for a bit, wrap it up in a plastic bag, set it aside until I get the call from the machinist that his hands are ready to get back to work. So thank you for watching. This tested my perseverance, my ability for a little bit. I'm not a professional welder, but you guys can do this too. Take your time. Until next time, I hope you liked it. Subscribe. Ciao.